Hi everyone, today is September 24th, 2019. It's going to be a quick video today. I'm going to walk to the United Nations, or attempt to walk there anyway. It's the first day of the UN General Assembly. All the world leaders are in town. There's major security, and I'm just curious to see what this security is all about. I do wonder how far along 42nd Street I'm allowed to walk to until I get stopped by security. This is 42nd Street and Lexington Avenue. The scene's pretty controlled right now. There isn't too much traffic from what I can see. Then again, I expect the people to be fully aware that this event's going on, and they try to avoid the area as much as they can. Over here is the Chrysler Building, finest example of Art Deco architecture in New York City. I do notice a big group of people there on 3rd Avenue, the next block. I suspect once I get past 2nd Avenue, there'll be a lot more security there. Okay, for vehicles, they're not allowing any right turns on 42nd Street towards the United Nations. NYPD also has this makeshift lane with traffic cones in the middle here. I do believe that Donald Trump gave his speech already. Could be wrong. But regardless of who's speaking at the United Nations, they're all very important people and powerful people. That's why the security is all here. Third Avenue is definitely very busy. There's a lot of traffic here. ways to get through, and this intersection is completely full. Or I should say that block is. These people actually look like Secret Service or something. Delegation official car. Here's NYPD. I'm only 1.5 avenues from the United Nations. Okay, I may hit my first obstacle up ahead. They have a white tent across the street on 2nd Avenue in the distance. I assume that's a security checkpoint. If I tell them I'm Action Kid, they won't let me in. They'll be like, no, you're not important enough. Wow, look at this. I can't even cross the street if I wanted to. They have police lines, do not cross here. Wow. They got the sanitation department blocking the middle of the road so there's no vehicular attacks. There's an NYPD checkpoint there. A lot of security. I don't think it's even worth trying to go over there because they won't let me pass. But anyway, let me walk back to the subway station and I'll end this video. Political advertisements. You have everything here. Well, sadly, I wasn't able to get that close to the United Nations, but at least you see how much of a hassle it is in order to travel around here during this time when the General Assembly is in town. All these private cars are for the United Nations, delegates, world leaders, important people. I saw a car for the delegation of Honduras. Here's Indonesia. Here's Australia. I did take a look at the interior of that van. It looks very posh and comfortable inside, with tables for dining and drinking. I wish I got that kind of treatment when I did my walking videos. I can do my walking videos on a nice leather seat and drinking some wine. I wish. Here's another diplomat. They have different plates if you take a look. The license plate is colored a light blue with a red border, and it says diplomat on it. A lot of people right now. About 4:30 p.m. in the middle of rush hour with the United Nations General Assembly. Not surprising at all. Also, this is en route to the Grand Central Terminal. But anyway, the reason why I'm crossing the street here is because the subway entrance is on this side of the street. It's more convenient for me to get to. I don't plan to stay in this area long.
So we have blocked off an hour and then kind of
Anyway, I'm just gonna wrap this video up. If you enjoyed this quick stroll down to the United Nations security tent, that wasn't my goal. My goal was to try to get as close to the UN as possible. But now you know what it looks like when the United Nations is in town. And this is interesting. They had the motorcade running right down the middle. That's what happens. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, and I'll see you all next time. Perhaps after the UN is finished. Take care.